Hey, what's up guys? Peter here again from the garage because it's raining out. I wanted to show you a video of a friend of mine who has a nasty twin turbo Ferrari 458. And it's not just a regular old Ferrari 458. Of course, it's got twin turbos, but it's also got a Liberty Walk wide body kit with some massive wheels. Now, some people may or may not like the body kit, whatever, but you cannot deny that this car sounds absolutely badass. So here's just a quick little clip of it idling in the parking lot and then taking off.
Oh,
there you go.
Scott's probably tired of giving rides. See you later.
You gotta go later, man. Yes.
Don't be afraid to get on it. That thing
You like your parking spot?
ripping.
Pretty nasty car, huh? Check out some of my other videos. You can see it in some of my previous videos throughout the year. I'm gonna try to get some more footage of it next time we meet up because it is just a nasty car and truly a one-of-a-kind machine. If you want to see some more footage of this car, go ahead and go on YouTube and just search for wide body Ferrari 458. My friend Brian from Vidtrix, he has a YouTube channel and he's got some pretty good footage of it if you want to see more of this car. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. It motivates me to keep pumping out videos for you guys. If you're new here, please check out my other videos. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any new ones, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.